In South Korea, the sea is more than just a border. It's a living, breathing presence that shapes the nation's identity and spirit. For generations, the ocean has been a source of inspiration, sustenance, and community. Here, the rhythm of the waves sets the pace of daily life. The seafood industry is woven into the nation's culture, cuisine, and daily rhythm. Markets bustle with energy as vendors call out the day's catch, and the aroma of fresh seafood fills the air. From the bustling fish markets of Busan to quiet coastal villages where time seems to slow, the connection to the sea is ever present. Life here follows the tides and the catch. Seafood is a staple on every table, a primary source of protein, and a symbol of comfort and togetherness for families across the country. Fishermen, braving harsh winds and unpredictable seas, rise before dawn to cast their nets, carrying on traditions passed down through generations. They are the first link in a chain that supports countless jobs on shore, from processors to market vendors and chefs. Their dedication keeps this vital food source flowing, ensuring that fresh seafood reaches tables both near and far, fueling both cherished traditions and a thriving modern economy that exports flavors of Korea worldwide. The industry balances old methods with new technology, blending wisdom of the past with the efficiency of today. Honoring the past while innovating for the future, Korea's seafood industry is a testament to resilience and adaptability. Every dish of Korean seafood is a product of hard work, deep-rooted tradition, and a shared love for the ocean's bounty. It's not just food, it's a story of grit, skill, and an unbreakable connection to the sea, written in every meal and every memory. When you taste Korean seafood, you're tasting the legacy of those who have lived by the tides, and the dreams of those who look to the horizon. You taste centuries of history, effort, and the enduring spirit of a people shaped by the sea. This is the story of the people and the sea that sustains them, a bond as deep and enduring as the ocean itself. On Korea's eastern coast, squid reigns supreme. For generations, these waters have been the heart of a thriving industry, where fishing communities depend on the daily catch for their livelihoods, and local culture is deeply intertwined with the rhythms of the sea. As night falls, high-tech vessels set out, using radar and powerful lights to locate and attract massive schools of squid. The sea glows with artificial light, a beacon for the squid and a symbol of modern fishing innovation. Automated lines haul in the catch, allowing small crews to work efficiently and safely, even in challenging conditions. This technology means more squid can be caught in less time, ensuring freshness and quality. Once ashore, the race is on. Squid are quickly delivered to processing plants, where every minute counts to preserve their delicate flavor and texture. Here, skilled workers process thousands of squid by hand, gutting and cleaning each one with precision. Their expertise ensures that only the best squid make it to market, and every movement is honed by years of experience. Machines can't match the delicate touch required for this job. The difference is clear. Hand-cleaned squid retain their natural shape and tenderness, a quality prized by chefs and home cooks alike. The squid are washed repeatedly to remove salt and byproducts, then prepared for preservation. This careful washing process is essential to maintain the squid's clean taste and appealing appearance. Drying is a common method. Workers insert sticks to keep the squid flat, then dry them for hours to achieve the signature chewy texture. This traditional technique has been passed down through generations, connecting the past to the present. Some squid are frozen, layered on trays and packaged for shipment, freezing locks in freshness, allowing people across Korea and beyond to enjoy squid year-round. Every step from sea to factory is a blend of speed, skill, and tradition. It's a process that demands teamwork, attention to detail, and a deep respect for the resource. The result, a national favorite enjoyed fresh, dried, or frozen across Korea. Squid is a staple at family tables, street markets, and celebrations, bringing people together in every season. It's a process that keeps the country's love affair with squid alive, supporting communities and preserving a cherished culinary tradition. Behind every bite is a story of innovation and relentless effort, where old methods meet new technology to create something truly special. This is how a simple catch from the sea becomes a beloved staple on Korean tables, celebrated for its taste, texture, and the hard work behind every dish. Mackerel is a Korean staple, prized for its rich flavor, high protein, and omega-3 content. For generations, it's been a beloved part of daily meals, from humble home kitchens to bustling city restaurants. Its popularity is rooted not just in taste, but in the nourishment it brings to families across the country. The main fishing season runs from October to March, when the seas are cold and the mackerel are at their fattest and most flavorful. During these months, massive catches are hauled in using seine nets, with entire coastal communities coming alive to the rhythm of the harvest. While nets are efficient for large-scale fishing, premium mackerel are line-caught by hand. This traditional method is slower, but it ensures the fish are less stressed, resulting in firmer flesh and a cleaner, more delicate taste that's highly sought after by chefs and connoisseurs. Mackerel spoils quickly, so speed is everything, from the moment it leaves the sea to its arrival at the processing plant. Every minute counts, and teams work in perfect coordination to keep the fish as fresh as possible. Factories buy only what they can process immediately, ensuring peak freshness. Buyers inspect each crate, looking for bright eyes and shiny skin, signs of the best catch. Workers gut and clean the fish with practiced speed, their hands moving almost automatically from years of experience. The fish are then thoroughly washed and drained, ready for the next step. Salting is crucial. Each fish is coated with just the right amount, a balance that preserves the fish without overpowering its natural flavor. This step is both art and science passed down through generations. The salted mackerel are then incubated, resting in cool trays to lock in flavor and preserve freshness. This short waiting period allows the salt to penetrate, enhancing taste and texture. Finally, the mackerel are vacuum-packed, sealing in all that freshness and flavor. This modern touch ensures the fish can travel far and wide, reaching markets and homes across Korea and beyond. This fast-paced, precise process preserves tradition while meeting modern demand. Every worker, every machine, and every step is part of a finely tuned system. Auctions at places like Busan Fish Market set the stage for the day's work. Here, buyers and sellers gather before dawn, their bids echoing through the market as they compete for the freshest catch. Every step is a race against time and spoilage. The clock is always ticking, and everyone knows that freshness is the key to great mackerel. The result? Mackerel that's fresh, flavorful, and central to Korean cuisine. Whether grilled, braised, or served raw, it's a dish that brings people together. It's a testament to the skill and dedication of everyone involved, from the fishermen braving the sea to the workers in the factory. From ocean to table, mackerel's journey is a marathon of effort, tradition, and teamwork. A story that unfolds every day along Korea's coasts. And every bite tells that story, connecting us to the sea, the people, and the culture that make it all possible. Pollock is a beloved fish in Korea, found in soups, snacks, and more. Massive trawl nets scoop up schools of pollock, which are frozen at sea to lock in freshness. Once ashore, pollock are either naturally dried outdoors or processed in modern drying facilities. Traditional drying, hanging fish on wooden racks in the winter wind, creates hwangtae, prized for its unique texture and flavor. Modern factories mimic these conditions indoors, speeding up the process for year-round supply. Fillets are also popular, with workers expertly deboning and marinating the fish before freezing. This blend of old and new methods meets high demand while preserving quality. Every dried or frozen pollock fillet is the result of careful handling and respect for tradition. The process is a dance between nature and technology. Pollock's journey from sea to table is a story of adaptation and pride. It's a taste of Korea's enduring connection to the ocean. In seafood processing, efficiency is everything. Traditionally, skilled workers handled every step: gutting, cleaning, filleting, and packaging. But as demand grows, automation is transforming the industry. Machines now tackle repetitive, strenuous tasks, making work safer and faster. Efforts to automate tricky jobs like gutting squid are underway, promising big gains in productivity. Automation boosts output, ensures consistent quality, and improves food safety. It doesn't replace workers, it empowers them to focus on quality and oversight. The balance between human skill and machine efficiency is key to the industry's future. By embracing technology, Korea's seafood factories stay competitive and sustainable. The evolution of the fish factory is a story of progress and resilience. Beyond commercial fishing, spearfishing endures as an ancient, challenging sport. Modern spearfishers use advanced gear, spear guns, wetsuits, fins, and masks to hunt underwater. The sport demands skill, patience, and a deep respect for the ocean. Spear guns, powered by rubber bands or springs, deliver powerful, precise shots. Stealth and breath-holding are essential. Hunters must get close to their prey in its own world. Strict regulations and a strong code of ethics guide responsible spearfishers. They target only specific species and sizes, minimizing bycatch and environmental impact. Spearfishing is one of the most sustainable ways to harvest seafood. Every catch is intentional, reflecting a deep connection to the marine environment. Spearfishing is thrilling, but it's not without danger. Divers face unpredictable underwater conditions, equipment risks, and encounters with powerful fish. Mishandling a spear gun or getting tangled in a line can be deadly, especially when a large fish fights back. Sharks are drawn to the struggle in blood, sometimes forcing divers to abandon their catch. Staying calm and aware is crucial in these tense moments. Free diving itself is risky, shallow water blackout is a real threat. That's why diving with a buddy is a golden rule. Safety is always a team effort. The sport demands physical endurance, sharp instincts, and strict adherence to safety protocols. Every dive is a test of skill and caution. The risks are real, but so is the reward for those who respect the ocean. Spearfishing is as much about survival as it is about sport. It's a discipline where preparation and respect mean everything. Spearfishers pursue a range of challenging targets, each requiring unique tactics. Marlin, with their size and speed, are hunted using live bait and careful positioning, a true test of skill. Kingfish, curious and strong, demand anticipation and precision to land a clean shot. Float lines help manage the fight, letting the fish run without endangering the diver. Red snapper are hunted at dawn or dusk with stealth and patience key to a humane, effective catch. Octopus, masters of camouflage, are found by keen-eyed hunters who coax them from hiding. Each species presents its own challenge, from the marlin's power to the octopus's cunning. Success relies on understanding behavior, timing, and the environment. The hunt is as much about strategy as it is about skill. Every catch is a story of patience, respect, and mastery of the underwater world. Spearfishing is a pursuit where knowledge and ethics matter as much as aim. From high-tech vessels to bustling factories, Korea's seafood industry is built on relentless effort. It's a blend of ancient traditions and cutting-edge technology, meeting modern demands while preserving heritage. Every worker, fisherman, processor, innovator, plays a vital role in bringing seafood to our tables. Even niche practices like spearfishing reflect a deep respect for the ocean and its bounty. The industry is a testament to human ingenuity, resilience, and pride. Next time you enjoy Korean seafood, remember the hands and hearts behind every bite. This is more than food, it's a story of people, tradition, and the enduring partnership between Korea and the sea. The journey from ocean to plate is a legacy worth honoring.